For more insight into China's gaming industry, we're joined by Stephanie Llamas. She's the Director of Research at SuperData. Stephanie, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So, according to various studies, China's gaming industry is now, in fact, the largest in the world. Exactly how big is the market?
Well, the global market is $74 billion. China is just below a fifth of that at $12.7 billion. So it's definitely the largest one of all of the major markets. The two that are second and third would be the US, which is $11 billion, and Japan, which is just under 11.
So what are the factors behind this tremendously fast growth in the gaming industry in China?
A big part of that would be mobile games. They are sort of the crux of this growth and of the ecosystem that we're seeing now. Mobile games account for $5.5 billion in China, so almost half of all of that revenue goes there. We also see that with PC games, free-to-play online, massively multiplayer online games are key to this growth as well. They're extremely popular in Asia and in China in particular, and so those are the two places where we're really seeing
So people are playing online together in groups on their PC,
Yes.
So it's more of an interactive experience.
It's very interactive.
Is there concern that the growth in mobile on your smartphones and such, and the apps there, are going to cannibalize the PC online gaming market?
No. PC gamers they're going to be PC gamers through and through. So traditionally, China has had a very rich PC online gaming community, and that's not going to go anywhere. They may also play mobile games, but not instead.
All right, so tremendous growth in the industry. According to your data, over $12 billion generated. Where is this money coming from? What is the revenue stream? How do these games monetize?
So when we say $12 billion, we're referring to consumer revenue. So that would be revenue that consumers are paying for additional content to games or downloads of those games. And then normally revenue streams come in two places. Those would be those downloaded additional content and advertising, which is enormous in China.
So what type of genre or type of game is proving to be most popular in China?
Actually, casino games are proving to be very popular. There is a poker-like game called Fight the Landlord that's extremely popular there.
Fight the Landlord, we can get behind that.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's a card game that's been around in China for many years.
And these are mostly games developed by Chinese developers?
Yes, it's very difficult for foreign developers to break in.
So which companies are poised to benefit most from this?
It's largely going to be Chinese companies that are stationed there, or foreign companies that are able to partner up with Chinese companies. So for example, Tencent, which is the largest video game company in the world, they just acquired majority share of Riot, which has the largest game in the world, which is League of Legends. So you're going to see a lot of consolidation of foreign companies with Chinese companies. They will certainly benefit, and Chinese companies as a whole.
Very quickly, where does the gaming console factor into all of this? Up until recently, they were restricted sales in China. They are now freely available with some minor regulations. So how does that factor into the picture?
The issue is that the evolution of gaming came from PC, and then with the affordable smartphones that have come out, it's grown through there. But console gaming has not traditionally been part of the gaming culture there. So Xbox and PlayStation only sold 500,000 units after the ban was taken away. So you're just not seeing a large amount of people going toward console gaming.
Stephanie, very quickly, what is your projection for trends in gaming for 2016 in China?
In China, we're going to continue to see mobile growth, and we're going to continue to start to see foreign companies come into the market, partnered with larger companies. But we're going to also see a consolidation of those large companies.